It's nearly Q4 and in this video I want to show you how to make a planner interior in Canva. Hello home bosses, my name is Nuria Corby from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online. And in this video I want to show you how I make a planner interior in Canva. It's nearly Q4 and I'm preparing some books for Q4 and also for the new year. And I want to show you how I do it, especially as we're doing the Q4 challenge. I hope you have entered in the Q4 challenge. If you don't know what the Q4 challenge is, I will leave a link to the video where I launched the challenge underneath this video, and that explains everything, how you can enter, and 3 people will have the chance of winning all my 3 courses: the children's book course, the mock-up generator course, and the printables mini course. And a lot of you have already entered, which is absolutely fantastic. I love reading all your comments and what you're creating. I've read every single one of them and I'm so proud of all of you that have entered, and I just feel we're going to have a good Q4. So I have decided to make planners for Q4, and I want to show you how I do that, because they can be easy to make but they can also be a little bit tricky. So I want to show you how I make them in Canva. So there are several ways you can approach this. The first one you can do is you can make them using tangent templates. I'll show you quickly what tangent templates have in terms of planners. So when you go into tangent templates, and I know tangent templates is not free, this is a paid software, but I know that a lot of you do have tangent templates, and if you have tangent, then this is really, in my opinion, the best way to make planners, because it's very easy to automate them. So you scroll all the way down here and you click on planners, and then you can just decide what kind of planner you want to make. I'm going to make monthly planners and weekly planners, so you can decide which one you want. So what you would do typically is you click on one of them and then it gives you all the choices that you can make, from trim size to the date range to everything else. And then once you have created your planner, you can save and download it. And what I do is I download it as a PNG and then upload it to Canva so that I can add some embellishments and make it a little bit different to how it is. But also, we're not just going to upload this planner as it is. You can add things to a planner. You can add a password keeper, you can add contact pages, you can add so many things, and I'll show you in a minute how we do that as well. But I just wanted to show you first of all what software you can use to build your planner. Tangent templates is one of them, and the other one is Creative Fabrica. You can go on Creative Fabrica and then type in planner 2023. And let's see what we can come up with. There are several planners here that you could use. If we're going to make our planner in Canva, you have to be able to download these as a PNG file so that you can upload it onto Canva to make the necessary changes. But the very best that you can do is to actually download them as Canva templates. And there are Canva templates on Creative Fabrica. So all you would have to do is, instead of just typing Planner 2023, just add Canva in the search bar. And now you will get all the Canva templates for planners. So this is another way you can do it, and it makes it quite easy. I'll show you quickly. I downloaded one from Creative Fabrica onto Canva. So this is the planner that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. As you can see, it's a really lovely planner, but we can't just use it as it is. First of all, it's in color, and we can't really, I mean, we could upload color books to Amazon KDP, but it becomes quite expensive. So it's best to make them black and white. And what you could do is you could just, if you click on the actual picture and then click on edit image, and can you see the saturation slide here? All you have to do is slide it right down and that will make it grayscale, and you do that for all the elements in the picture. And that way you can make any image black and white for your KDP books if you want to make them in black and white. let's go back to how it was. But the other way to do it is really you want to replace all of this. You want to get rid of all of these. So the way you would completely change this is by clicking all of this off. And now you can put your own images or clip art in here, and you can do that using the free Canva ones, or even if you have Canva Pro, you can use them as well for KDP books. It's different if you're making printables, but for books you can use the Canva Pro elements. You could add anything to this. You could make a floral planner, and then you can change the colors here to make it grayscale. You can't do that with all of the elements. So in a way, it might be a good idea to download your own from Creative Fabrica or from other places that are already black and white or grayscale. And then the other thing you need to do is you need to change the fonts, and you can easily do that by clicking on them and then choosing your own font. So this is how you would then make it completely different and make your own planner in Canva. So let's have a look and see what else is included. So they've got a page where you can say this planner belongs to. I don't think this is necessary for planners. This tends to be something that people do for children's books. I don't think adults need to write their names into books, but you can do this if you want to. There's no reason why you can't. You can also incorporate contact pages, so it's very nice if you have a planner and you can add all your contacts in your planner. You can also have a password log. So all of this you can customize and create your own by changing the fonts and by changing the images. You can also, and I think this is very important, incorporate a calendar so that people can see the whole year on one page, and then also include one for the following year. So if you're making a calendar for 2023, make a page for the whole year, for the whole of 2023, and also a page for the following year, 24, because I don't know about you, but when I look into my diary or in my calendar, sometimes I need to plan things in advance, and it's a good idea to have the following year as well. This one has got pages for holidays, so you can incorporate that as well if you want to include holidays. But of course, every country has different holidays, so I don't usually do this for my planners. I just make the planner without all this, but of course you can do that as well. And it's also a good idea to include a birthday log, and that is just like a birthday reminder where people can write in the birthdays of people they want to remember, to congratulate. Nowadays we've got Facebook, and thank God for Facebook, because otherwise I would probably forget a lot of birthdays. And Facebook always tells me when it is somebody's birthday. But of course, it's much nicer if you can write it in your diary or in your planner. And this is how you would do it. And then we come to the actual planner. Let's have a look how this is structured. So you've got the month at the top and the year, and then you've got the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Where's the rest of the week? It's on the following page. So if you imagine you have all the pages side by side, you can see here that when you open the book, so you've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you've got them on a spread, 2 pages side by side is the whole week. I think this layout is quite nice. It gives you plenty of space to write things in there. Also note that in the USA, the week starts on Sunday, whereas here in the UK, our weeks start with the Monday. So depending on what country you want to publish your planner in, you can either start Sunday or Monday. And then this is how you would build your planner. You go through all of the weeks, and this one has got 2024 included as well. That's it. That's how they have created their planner. We could also create a planner from scratch, but I think that is a lot of work. So I quite like using the idea of taking a planner from Creative Fabrica and then just changing everything that you need to change in the planner. And then once you've made your planner, you can save it as a PDF print. But let's talk about sizes first. So what sizes are you going to make your planner? This is where a bit of research comes in. So you research your planners online on Amazon and have a look and see what kind of planners sell very well and what sizes are they. I find that most planners are 8.5 by 11, but some people also like smaller planners. So it's up to you. You can make them 8.5 by 11 to have a larger planner, but you can also make more pocket-sized planners. Maybe 6 by 9 is a little bit small. I quite like making them 7 by 10, something like that. So it's not as big as 8.5 by 11. It's slightly smaller, but still big enough to be able to write things in there and have plenty of space to write. Because I think that is one of the biggest complaints when buyers buy planners. I find that in a lot of the reviews they mention that there wasn't enough space for them to write in. This is why it's very important for you to look at what other people are doing with their planners and have a look at their reviews. Have a look and see what people are saying about the planner, and you can get a very good idea about what people like about certain planners and what they dislike. And that way you can make your books better than what's already out there by taking the customers' or the buyers' opinions into account and making it even better. So that's all about choosing the sizes for the planners. How many pages should a planner have? Well, it should have, I think, over 100 pages to make it good value for money, because if you have anything thinner than that, I think people don't like it so much. But you don't want to have it very thick either. So I think anything between 100 and 150 pages is ideal. I wouldn't make it much bigger than that, because then it becomes too heavy and too big and you can't open it very well. So 100 to 150 pages I would say is the ideal size. So that is how you would make it using Creative Fabrica. But what if you haven't got the budget to spend on Tangent templates or on Creative Fabrica, and all you have is free Canva and you want to make a planner? Well, you can still do it, and I'll show you how. So if you have the free version of Canva and you want to create a planner, click on Create a Design and type in Planner. And it comes up with the size 8.5 by 11. If you click on resize, you can see which size this is. It's 8.5 by 11. But like I said, you can choose whichever size you want to make it. I find this is the most common size when it comes to planners on Amazon. So because we've typed in planner, Canva suggests us these templates and they are free. So as long as they don't have the little crown symbol, these are the free templates that you can use. And a lot of them are undated. So what if we want to make a dated planner with all the dates? So maybe if we type in Planner 2023, hopefully we get some dated planners this way. I'm just going to have a quick look and see. There's a calendar year 2022. That's too late. Here we are, calendar 2023. So you could put that at the front of your planner. Change all the fonts. You can click on this and then just change the font into something else and change the colors or whatever you want to change. You can add little elements as well if you would like that. But I also want to see if we can create a full planner for the whole year. So we need something with all the months for the year 2023. So maybe let's type in the months. So let's type in planner January 2023. And here we are. We've got one here. So this one says Pro, so we can't really use that for free unless you've got Canva Pro. Then it's fine. So I think it's quite difficult to find one that's free, but I'm sure I will find one in the end. You could do something like this. You could take one of these undated ones and have the month and then just check in your calendar. So I've just looked on my phone calendar and I've discovered that January the 1st, 2023 is on a Sunday. So all you would need to do is to click on this little space here, maybe open a text box and just write in the number 1. Make it smaller, make it really small, and then copy that, and then do this with all of the other boxes here with all the days, and you just continue. It takes a long time to do this, but also remember to change all of this as well and make it your own. You can see how you can change everything here. You can just take away all of these pictures. As the first thing that I would do is I would remove any embellishments so that I can then use my own. and change the colors as well, make them grey or black, whichever color you want to choose. And you can also, when you change one thing and you want to change all of them, there's something here in Canva that's just appeared. It says change all, so everything that's pink can be changed to grey. So I'm going to do that, and that makes the job a lot quicker. So all you have to do is just change all the colors, and then you can add other things to your planner depending maybe on your niche, and that is the next thing we're going to talk about. I want to tell you how you can niche down your planner, because it's all very well making a planner, but you need to know what kind of niche you're going to place this planner. If you're just making a planner for 2023, there is a lot of competition out there, so we really need to niche it down, and I want to tell you in my next video how to do that, and I'm going to give you a great big list of niches that you can use and how you can find your own niches. So after you finish all your calendar, all you have to do then is to download it as a PDF print. Don't forget to flatten the file, and that's it. That's all. Then that is your interior, and hopefully that gives you a better idea on how to make your interior for a planner. And as I said, in my next lesson we will talk about how we can niche the planner down so we can customize the interior even further. So that will also be really useful for your keywords, and then after that we will make the cover for the planner. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions at all. What else would you like me to mention in the next video? And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.